How to control iPhone with eyes. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Eye Tracking. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. iPhone should be on a stable surface about 30 centimeters away from your face. Here, turn on the eye tracking feature. Now, bring your face into view to control the device using your eyes. As you can see, you can now use this feature to control the pointer on screen. Following these steps, you can easily control iPhone with eyes. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.